Just got done, watered and feeding the chickens for today. See if we got any eggs. Got 3 there. And we got 8 total today. We're gonna let them sit. And we'll see tomorrow what we have. Make sure there's no eggs on the inside here, because sometimes they'll lay in different spots. We're good. All right. I'm gonna get them some greens. Gonna go find some chickweed. Ah, there's chickweed right here. We'll just do this. I'll drop that in there for them. Right there. They love that stuff. All right, y'all. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow.